Alright, morning YouTube. So, yesterday my friend called me and said that he got broke down on the side of the road. So we went out and helped him out. And, well, I think the engine, I think the number 6 piston ate itself. Long story short, you can see the spark plug here. It is covered in piston material, and it's also broken, so I think the piston either disconnected from the conrod and came up and slapped the spark plug or something. But anyway, we did a bunch of troubleshooting and led us to this. He had a supercharger here, which we suspected was making the noise at first. So then we disconnected the serpentine belt and the noise still continued. So then we tested fuel injectors, checked to make sure all the sensors were right, and then I started pulling spark plugs and found that last plug there. All the spark plugs look pretty bad because we just done them, but that one is pretty bad, and it's definitely piston material because the material on there is not magnetic. So that is piston. So anyway, we took all that stuff off. All the valves look good. Well, as far as I can tell, we haven't dug into it too far. We're gonna get the head off today, but we're gonna do a nice little video on this, and then we're gonna try to just drop the pistons out while it's in the block here. I've seen a couple people do it. I'm gonna try to do that and kind of hand hone the cylinders and try to get them back on the road here. But check it out. You can see, I'll show you the supercharger and everything. We won't be putting the supercharger back on because it was kind of Frankenstein together anyway. This was our just endeavors from yesterday. Today we plan on getting the head off and seeing what we need to order. But you can see, so this is off, I think it's off like a Mustang or something. And it works good, but they don't have, someone's welded on a cap where the bypass valve used to go. So this thing was just getting boost all the time, which is bad for engines, especially when the engines aren't built for it. And also there's no aftercooler or intercooler or anything, so it was just putting hot gas in there. But yeah, this will be an adventure here, so stay tuned.